here we are, St Nazaire, Operation Chariot, HMS Campbelltown. So that dock gate there was the target. HMS Campbelltown was packed with explosives, sailors, there were patrol boats, and there was hundreds of Royal Marines as well. 28th of March 1942. This estuary here, they had to come all the way up there pretending to be Germans to come up here and get as close as they could. Once they got seen and they realised that the Nazis realised that they weren't Nazis, they took down the Nazi flag, hoisted up the white ensign, and then they started their attack, coming in, aiming for that dock gate there. They did, they came along. Initially they were going in the wrong direction because navigation was difficult. They came in and they rammed that gate. The ship, in some of the photos when you see it, was like halfway up, and they had a lot of explosives in the bow. So it was set on a timer. The timer was kind of reliable, but nobody knew how long it was going to work. So it was there. Royal Marines came ashore, they covered some ground, and as we look behind us, they fought their way back across that bridge over there, which has a remarkable resemblance to Pegasus Bridge. Anyway, that's another video. So coming back round here, we're looking at this dockyard gate. Campbelltown was on there, and they actually didn't know when it was going to go off. When it finally did go off, it was full of trophy hunting Nazis. So, joke's on them. Don't steal stuff and don't be a Nazi. But prior to that, the Germans actually took some of the British officers back on board around the ship. Can you imagine how they must have felt, knowing full well that that ship was going to go kapow, kaboom, and decimate everything in a heartbeat? But they did it anyway because they had minerals. But as we look over here, this gun in 1978, they did some dredging operations around here, and they picked up this gun. 76mm, if I'm correct? Yeah, 76mm gun from HMS Campbelltown. Still survived over there. This is an absolutely superb place to come. If you ever get a chance to visit it, do it. And right, we're down on the ground now. So that's where we were earlier when we were on the video, and I showed you where the 76mm gun is. And then I directed towards the lock gate, which is there. Now, one of the other targets was the pumping house, which I believe is that one over there. And they went down into there to try and destroy it so that they couldn't pump out. Even if they hadn't destroyed the lock gate itself, then it would have destroyed the pumping kit, which then would have had the same effect. So HMS Campbelltown rode up on there when it did blow up and it did destroy the lock gate. It was never used after that. It wasn't repaired until about 1946, so the Nazis didn't get to use it. So, well done Marines, well done Royal Navy, happy days. Want to see more of these? Like and subscribe.